Relax, natural adrenal repair, doctor formulated to manage cortisol and stress, promote sleep, with organic holy basil, ZMA, magnolia bark, L-Theanine and more, vegan, made in USA 60 capsules. Searching for an adrenal support that finally helps you feel better? Don't waste your time and money on low-quality products that simply don't work or make you feel even worse. Relax is the optimal blend of natural ingredients with zero additives or fillers. When taken daily, it promotes restful sleep at night and a calm energy throughout the day. Constantly feeling tired? Not sleeping well? Drinking 2 or more coffees and still barely making it through the day? Here is a doctor dedicated to helping you. Dr. Ian Stern wrote the book on adrenal health. Literally. The author of the blueprint to Balancing the Adrenals, he used his thousands of hours of clinical research to create the optimal blend of natural ingredients, each one carefully chosen to help you feel your best again. The ebook is free with your purchase. No other ingredients, zero fillers, additives, or allergens. You've made changes to your diet. You've cut back on your bad habits. So why would you want to take a supplement that has a list of ingredients that aren't in there to help you? Relax is just the good stuff with no gluten, no corn, no soy, no GMOs, and no fillers of any kind. All manufactured right here in the USA in a GMP-certified facility. We want to make America feel great again. That's why there is no risk at all when purchasing our supplement. You don't absolutely love the way it makes you feel? Contact our award-winning customer service team and we will promptly issue a 100% money-back refund. Support a cause. A percentage of your purchase goes directly to the Dream Life Association, a non-profit dedicated to helping impoverished children from broken homes learn the life skills that they need to have their fair chance at a happy and healthy life.